PhasepliT, a solution to the wastewater of the food and drink industry. The food and drink industry is the second largest manufacturing sector in the EU. More than 95% of all companies in the food and drink sector are small enterprises with less than 50 employees. These companies suffer from a lack of environmental competitiveness due to several problems. Wastewater generation with high concentration of biodegradable organic matter. Costly treatment fees to send this waste to municipal treatment plants. Produced wastewater is inefficiently treated in centralized plants because they are not separately treated from urban residues. Small and medium food and drink enterprises are very intensive in the use of electricity and heat, which accounts for up to 5% of the average price of food and drink products. Anaerobic digestion is one alternative to treat food and drink wastewaters that produces energy at the same time. However, current anaerobic digestion solutions have some limitations from the point of view of operation and investment for small and medium food and drink enterprises. The PhasepliT project emerges as an eco-efficient solution to reduce wastewater treatment and energy costs for European small and medium food and drink industry enterprises, promoting a wastewater treatment reactor system customized for small and medium food and drink industry companies to be able to comply with EU regulations. The main PhasepliT feature is the splitting of the anaerobic digestion technology into two separated phases: hydrolysis, acidogenesis phase, and methanogenesis phase in different tanks, so that they can be optimized separately, overcoming many of the current anaerobic digestion problems. Collected food and drink wastewaters are mixed and introduced into the acidogenic reactor at high concentration of chemical oxygen demand, COD. The sugar content and other monomeric products are transformed into volatile fatty acids and alcohols by acetogenic bacteria. This process is monitored online, and parameters like pH and turbidity are controlled, becoming a feature of the technology. Easier and better monitoring and control system by using simple determination, saving costly operator hours spent using offline techniques. The fermented broth from the acetogenic phase passes to the methanogenic phase where it is smoothly distributed, protecting this reactor from the variations of inlet stream in composition and flow. This is another feature of the technology, improving reactor stability. The methanogenic phase contains acetogenic and methanogenic microorganisms. The acetogens transform volatile fatty acids and ethanol coming from the acetogenic phase in acetate, hydrogen, and carbon dioxide. Methanogens consume the acetate and hydrogen plus carbon dioxide produced and transform them into methane and small amounts of carbon dioxide. This confers an increased biogas quality, greater than 80% of methane, which is another feature of the technology, leading to a more energetic solution. Having two separated phases in different reactors allows us to optimize the conditions, leading to increased wastewater cleaning efficiency greater than 95%, reducing the cost of polishing treatment. In summary, PhasepliT technology allows European small and medium food and drink enterprises to comply with current restrictive EU regulations by maximizing biodegradable chemical oxygen demand removal from wastewater, minimizing size, initial investment, and operational costs in comparison to current market alternatives, reducing payback period and providing enough renewable energy to cover its own energy consumption and generating a surplus of electricity and heat, which can save energy costs in other stages of the production facility. PhasepliT technology has been developed by a consortium of selected partners from different countries that covers the product supply chain. EBET, that provides support in the two phases anaerobic digestion technology. Inspiralia, that provides support in the reactor design and the plant monitoring and control. SIS, that developed the SCADA remote control. Industrial Morepi, that provided the key components of the reactor. Odeval, that deals with the biogas valorization technology. Sumo Compal Marcas, that works as an end user of the technology developed. Aema specialist in wastewater treatment that acts as coordinator and technology integrator, also testing the technology in winery wastewaters.